Hey there, it's Andrew. Do you have a corrupted MOV video file that won't open or play correctly? Well, in this video, I'm going to be running you through a few basic methods that you can use to repair your corrupted MOV video files. And by the way, if this problem has you stuck right now, be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one in the future. Okay, so when it comes to MOV file repair, there are really a few different scenarios that you can run into. The first one would be the file just straight up doesn't open at all. Now this could of course be due to corruption, in which case you would need a service or software to make the repairs on the file to fix it. Or it could also be a codec incompatibility issue, being that the media player that you're using is not compatible with MOV, in which case you would need to download a new media player in order to fix the problem. And secondly, the file may open correctly, but just has really severe playback issues, right? Like audio glitches, drop frames, freezing, these kinds of things. And all of these symptoms really indicate an issue with the structural integrity of the file itself, which I'll actually be showing you how to repair using a special tool here in just a minute. But no matter the case that you're working with, today I'm going to be showing you the methods required to remedy all of these issues. And we're going to be starting by just installing a good, well-rounded media player to fix any codec or compatibility issues. So sometimes a file won't play, not because it's corrupted, but because the codec isn't actually supported by your computer. And the way to solve this issue is by using an alternative media player capable of loading the file. So there are a lot of really great media players out there, obviously we all know this, but the one that I prefer to use, the one that works the best, the most often for me, is VLC Media Player. It's got great universal support for many different codecs and file types, and should completely resolve any codec issues on both Mac and PC, as it is cross-platform compatible. Using VLC to fix an MOV file not playing is really simple. Just download and install VLC Media Player to your computer. Then once it's installed, navigate to your MOV file, right-click the clip, and hit Open with VLC Media Player. Now not only will this open the clip in VLC, but it will also set the default player to VLC for all other MOV files, which will make it much easier in the future. So now if this has solved our problem, then that's great, we're done. But if not, if the video still doesn't open or plays incorrectly, then there's likely some corruption there that needs to be repaired. So we're going to be running through two different ways that you can repair a corrupted MOV video file. And we're going to start by using an online video repair service called Clever Online Video Repair. Now I've used several of these services before, but online video repair is straightforward and highly effective. If you have a video file that won't play, the software will sort out all of its container files and fix the corrupted file as a whole. And it supports many different file types, including MOV, from lots of devices like cameras, drones, smartphones, etc. And it's currently free, which makes it an even better option. And so here's how you can use Clever Online Video Repair to repair an MOV file online. Start by going to the official website linked in the description below. Once there, go ahead and upload your corrupted MOV clip first. And as a bonus, if you know it, you can also select the make and model of the camera you used, which will give you the best results. Then after you've uploaded your corrupted clip, upload a healthy, not corrupted clip from the same camera. And after this, both files will be analyzed and run through the algorithms to get the corrupted file back in working order. Then after this process is finished, you can download the file and it should be playable and working fine. So while Clever Online Video Repair is great for resolving unplayable MOV files, if you have a video file that has dropped frames or, the audio glitches, the things I mentioned earlier, then actually re-encoding the file with something like VLC Media Player is an excellent way to resolve that, and it's a slightly better approach in my experience. And because we've already installed it onto our computer, we can just run the file right through VLC to sort of repackage all of the data in the file, which can effectively fix damaged MOV video files. So here's how to do it. Just open VLC Media Player, and with VLC open in the top menu bar, select Media, then Convert and Save. In the dialog box that appears, simply select the broken clip from wherever it's saved on your computer. Next, in the conversion settings, select the output format of H.264 MOV, which is the most widely compatible format. Next, choose your destination folder, such as your desktop. Then hit Start, which will convert and re-encode the file. Finally, you can go to the destination to verify that the file has been successfully restored, and hopefully it should play with no issues. Now, one more additional thing I did want to mention is another piece of software you can use to re-encode files, which is called Handbrake. I'm personally a big fan of Handbrake, however, it does not convert MOV to MOV. You would need to convert the MOV file to an MP4 file instead, which if you need the MOV file, then this isn't an option, but if you're willing to completely switch formats, this could be a viable option for you as well. And so that's it. Those are two pretty quick ways to resolve a corrupted MOV video file and get it playing again. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button down below and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see in a future video. That's going to be all for today. My name is Andrew, and thank you for watching.